Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I've got some more constitutional silver here. Bought some more quarters, as you can see. I got $30 face, $10, $20, $30. And I like getting the quarters because the quarters seem to be the hardest to come by. Now, don't get me wrong, I'll take dimes and halves any day of the week, and dimes are the ultimate fractional silver. So if I had to choose between the three, I would probably choose dimes. But quarters are fun to collect, and like I said, they can be pretty difficult to get a hold of. A lot of times when you order off of the online bullion dealers, and they say denomination varies, you'll almost always get dimes in the mail. So I really like it when I get some quarters, and so I'm happy to get this $30 worth, which, as you know, is 120 quarters. So why don't we go ahead and take a look? Okay, so I haven't seen what's in here. Usually get pretty good quality. You know, once in a while I get some slicks, but that's okay. No matter where you go, that's what you're going to get. Let's pour these out. Oh, looks like I left one behind. Don't want to do that. You can see here, some nice edges. Let me pull these over to the side a little bit. And set these down. Take a look. Yeah, some nice quarters here, huh? Those look to be pretty good. 1964s. Nice. Lots of silver in here. That's what I like about it. I get the older ones. They're going to be, not so much silver, but this batch is pretty good here. I think they're mostly 64s, which I will take all day long because I want the silver. The 1962. Okay, pull this back a little bit so we can open up these other ones. Let's see what's in this one. We know what's in there. We know it's quarters, and each roll has 40 quarters, so let's take a look at these. Look at those edges. Gotta love that silver. Alright, yeah, look at that. Yeah. Quarter's in good shape. It's just pretty marked up. It's alright. Yeah, look at these, huh? Ah. 1959, pretty good shape. Alright. So let's see what this last roll has for us. And we will go with 40 more quarters. Boom. Oops. Threw some across the desk. Look at these, man. Look at all these. So, I really don't like to get the SLQs, the Standing Liberty quarters, because there's just too much wear on them. Now, I know they usually come with a higher premium. As you guys know, I'm a stacker, and I'm just trying to stack as much as I can, especially with silver climbing so fast lately. That getting a nice pile of silver is okay by me. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? So what do you guys think? This is a great way to stack, great way to keep the silver flowing, and very recognizable. Let me see if we can turn this brightness down. Maybe that's a little too far. Go back up a little bit. Not quite so shiny. There we go, that's better. And so, yeah, pretty cool, huh? 120 quarters, $30 face. Alright, so if you want to see how much silver is in this $30, it's pretty easy to calculate. So if I were to take my calculator here and just do 30, let me get it so we can see it, 30 times 0.715. 715 is how much silver is in each dollar. We're going to say it's 21.45 troy ounces of silver. So this $30 has over 21 ounces of silver in it. So that's an easy way to calculate how much silver you have laying here in this pile. And I'm pretty happy about getting another 21 ounces silver. And so got it for another great price. As you guys know, silver's been going up. But my guy that I've been buying this from has not raised his prices on me. So surprisingly and ironically, when he got a hold of me, he didn't raise his price. So, but as you know, all online dealers have been raising their prices. As stock goes up, so do their prices. I'll tell you, it's almost like real time on their webpage. They track it and they real time it. So I got this Constitutional Silver for $3.96 per ounce below spot. Whoa, that is just an incredible price. All right, so this time I want to try something a little bit different. I want to try to weigh how much this Constitutional Silver is. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to weigh these out. So I'm kind of curious to see how they weigh. And so you can see here I just put them in stacks of 10. Come over here a little bit. I just set them up in stacks of 10. Kind of speed the process up a little bit for us. Got this set on troy ounces. I'll go ahead and tare this. And if you look over here, you can see the, maybe not, but there's an OZT right there. That means troy ounces. You see it right there, OZT. So we're going to weigh this in troy ounces. Okay. Let me bring my color back down a little bit, my white balance here. Alright. So we'll do this in groups of rolls. So there's 10, there's 20, there's 30, and there's 40. So we got 8.02 troy ounces. Okay, we'll set those aside. Over here. Then we'll take another roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 8.03 troy ounces. Set these aside over here. Okay. Let's take this last roll, put it on the scale. Hurry, because my scale seems like it likes to blink off pretty fast. And now we have 8.02. Alright. So we take my trusty little calculator here. 8.02 plus 8.02 plus 8.03. That equals 24.07 troy ounces. But we only have 90% here. So we're measuring 100% right now. So let's multiply that by 0.9. We have 21.66 troy ounces of silver. That's the actual weight. Now the calculation of 0.715 gives you 21.45. That's the calculation I used to figure out how much I want to pay for it. So we minus 21.45. We actually have an extra 0.21 troy ounce of silver. It's almost an extra quarter ounce. And that might not sound like much, but with the amount of Constitutional Silver I buy, if I'm constantly getting extra amounts, that's just totally adding to the stack. So that's pretty cool. I wanted to weigh it because these look like they were in pretty good shape. And I thought it would be good to see if I actually got a little bit more out of there, and I did. So, nice little test there. Nice little random sampling of these quarters and how much they weigh. I'll do that again sometime. I'll throw them on the scale and see how much they weigh. Put them back in a pile because I need to still take my thumbnail. And besides, we need to hear that silver banging around. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the additional information about how much this stuff weighs. It's always good to know. And yeah, it's pretty cool putting those on the scale and seeing that we got a little bit more silver than what we paid for. So that's always cool. So I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there. I think you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.